Hey, what's going on YouTube? It is Alex from 𝗙𝗰𝗲𝗃 back again with another video, and today we are going to be checking out the Google Pixel 8 that I have in hand right over here. Now, I'm super excited because I went ahead and picked it up a few days ago at Best Buy. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that I was kind of posting updates on my story. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, now is the time because that is where I update you guys regularly at 𝗙𝗰𝗃𝗍. But that's all besides the point. Today we are going to be doing a unboxing and first impressions of the Google Pixel 8. I'm going to show my little reaction, what I first thought about the Pixel 8 when I unboxed it, and then I'm going to go ahead and drop a review and a day in the life later in this week so that I could give you guys my full perspective, my full idea, my full point of view of the brand new Google flagship phone. So without any further ado, let's roll the intro and get right into this video. Now, I'd like to point out that I posted a TikTok reel and YouTube shorts that are now live of my experience of going to Best Buy and purchasing the Google Pixel 8. Kind of like a little day in the life. But without any further ado, let's get right into the unboxing of the Google Pixel 8. On the outskirts of the box, we do have the Google Pixel branding, #TeamPixel. Nice little simple design, these satisfying pull tabs that we can pull off right there. And I got the Pixel 8 in the 128GB version in the rose color. Now you guys did vote for that on Instagram, and there it is, the beautiful Google Pixel 8. It was shining, it was looking all really nice, and overall, I like the color. I like the silver design. So we're just going to pull that strip right off, and that's it. Under the hood, we have the USB Type-C to C cable, which is really nice to see. We did have it introduced with the iPhone 15s this year, and obviously it is an Android thing, and we do have it on the Google Pixel 8 this year. Now, right there, we have the instruction manual, some regulatory information with the Google branding, and this little plastic film to attach that right up, and then we have a USB-A to Type-C, I believe. There it is, the Type-C to transfer your data. And that is pretty much it inside the box. So there is the Google Pixel 8. We do have the power and volume up and down button. And then on the left side of the phone, it is just a nice little kind of rose looking film. So that is the Google Pixel 8 unboxing for you guys. My first impressions of the Google Pixel 8, it is a very beautiful phone, as I mentioned in the beginning in the intro. I do really like the lens right over here, how it looks, just the way the black looks. It's super blacked out, and you have that nice little silver rim, and then it fades into this beautiful pink color. It is super, super beautiful. I do love this hidden kind of rose gold Google Pixel logo right over there. And then on the front of the phone, there it is. It is coming straight out of the box with 60 Hz, so you do need to go down in your settings and set it up for 120 Hz. I'll be making a video on how to do so make sure to go check it out if you haven't already. And overall, the Google Pixel 8 is a very solid phone for the price. I think with taxes and everything, it was right under $1,000. It was about $997 if I'm not mistaken, but this is my receipt. Anyways, that is the Google Pixel 8 for you guys. I did film a day in the life with it. I did film a review and just a video to compare it with the iPhone 15 Pro. So coming from an iPhone user, the Google Pixel 8 is a solid build. It does feel really good in the hands. It does look also really clean. I do love the color. The on-screen fingerprint reader is very nice, and I do also like that it comes with Face ID, which is beautiful. Now, I did also test out the camera on the Google Pixel 8, and it is absolutely impressive. Now, I'm not going to glaze it too much, that is going to come in my review, but let's just say the front camera video at 4K 60 frames per second is pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, that is the unboxing and first impressions of the Google Pixel 8 for you guys. I don't have much to say. The box, you know, we all love Google branding, the box always looks nice. So there it is. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below your thoughts, subscribe for more content that is going to be dropping very soon soon. We are not in Techtember, we are in Techtober, if that's a thing, but that doesn't mean that we will not be producing content. We are going to be dropping a bunch of good videos, short form content, because the grind is real. We are at the time of recording, I believe 519 subscribers, and we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So we are about 480 something away, so make sure to get us to 1,000 subscribers. We are halfway there. Anyways, make sure to go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Reddit, Facebook, Threads, Instagram. I think that's it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by on this little ramble.